afternoon, everyone. My name is Rico, and welcome to Pro AVL Asia. We've got a fantastic show happening here. So what I'm going to be doing for the next couple of minutes and into the afternoon as well, I'll be going to various booths, and we'll find out a little bit more about what's happening, the different kind of products that they have to offer right here at Pro AVL Asia. So let's begin. I'm right now standing just in front of the Panasonic booth and Absolute AV Private Limited, and right here next to me, we have Kelvin. Kelvin, good afternoon to you.
Good afternoon.
All right, let's begin. So tell me a little bit more about your company and what you do.
Okay, Absolute AV, we are the distributor for Panasonic projectors and the LCD displays. Okay, we basically sell them into the market with partners for projects.
So Kelvin, tell us more about the products that you've got here on display.
Okay, over here we have the 75-inch 4K display, which is a touch panel, and now it's being input with a software that shows you an electronic directory. You can actually select where you are and where you want to go. Over here we have a 47-inch video wall panel that is assembled in the shape of a windmill, and we have a processor here from Tricolor that actually runs the image over. Right? Okay. And beside here we have what you call a puffer fish. It's actually a projector projecting on a curved lens onto a ball here that you can actually do touch and directory.
So primarily, this is new technology from Panasonic, a proprietary technology. Now this technology actually uses light, and more specifically light frequency. So instead of QR code, what we can do is we're looking at a Linkray app, and we just shine the app at any light source. It'll direct you to the URL that you want to. So for every light source you have, it directs you to a specific URL. And again, we're using the speed of light and the fact that you do not have to stand too close to the light source itself to get directed to the URL.
Over here we have a unique projector from Panasonic. It's called the Space Player. It's actually a laser projector that does not have any lamp. Okay, and here is projecting onto a table where we have put in some touch function whereby you can actually select your menu to select dessert, the main course, or the appetizer.
How the smart retail F&B solution works is you have a QR code down here. When you scan it with a phone, it goes into multi-languages from English, Japanese, or Spanish, German, up to you. And then basically what happens, you place your orders. The orders will reflect over here on the back-end system. And then when you pay, you can actually use the point of sales or mobile payment like WeChat or Alipay or PayNow to pay your food. Over here is our telematic fleet management system. It tells you when the tour bus is near the restaurant or hotel so that the GRO can go up and receive the tourists as they come down the bus, or the restaurants can cook the food before they arrive at the restaurant, reducing the waiting time. And this system down here that we have basically is a whole complete set where we do retail and we do what we call F&B. The most important thing is when people buy products, the issue they have is this a real or a fake product? So we have developed with a partnership of Topan Japan, a system where it's based on the money counterfeit solution where you can see where the color changes, you know exactly whether it's a real or fake product. And finally, the QR system, back-end system, is able to tell you exactly the ingredients and how many days before the product gets expired. And that's pretty much our whole entire solution. Thank you.
I'm Leong from Checomatic. We are doing facial recognition technology, whereby basically we can actually check your face, and then from there we can actually provide you with a profile of who you are, your age group, and basically from this we can actually provide retailers and small owners with analytics into who goes into the shops, what do they do, and how do they actually profile themselves inside, how do they behave inside the store.
My name is Leo. I'm from Envision Private Limited. So basically ours is a content management system. So as you can see from here, actually we can design on what actually are the layouts that you want to show on the screen. So basically you just design on how many devices, actually how many components you want to use on the screen. Then after that you can actually just create the playlist for you to put out on the digital signage. So basically, it's more of like content management system.
Over here, we have the latest laser projectors from Panasonic. Okay, they are meant for hotel, ballroom, large venues, and all that.
This is a command center. So actually, this is a 4K video that can able to have different agency or department have a different display onto its screen. So what we can do is actually we can have security, we can have vehicle monitoring or other services that can actually cater into this video, 4K video wall. So for this, we can also do have this so-called the desk station that can actually connect to this video and then to punch out security camera.
Hi, my name is Alfred. Over here we're actually showing the PTZ camera, also known as the IP remote cameras. Here we actually simulate the camera being switched to a different area like the hotel ballrooms, the restaurant, whatsoever, and it's all controlled over here.
Wow, Kelvin, those products are simply amazing, amazing indeed. So once again, do make your way down to the good people from Panasonic and Absolute AV Private Limited. Kelvin, I want to thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, I wish you well.